guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this is another wig install, and this video is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and they sent me this 13x4 HD lace curly wave human hair wig. But before I show you guys the wig and the install, I'm going to be showing you guys what they sent to me. So they sent me this bonnet. They also sent me, I think, some stocking cap. They sent me this baby hair comb, and I think they sent me a tail comb in it and some lashes. I think that's all they sent to me inside this box. And obviously the wig. The wig is 13x4. I think it's 26 inch. 26 inch, is it? Yeah, I think it was 26 inches actually. 26 or 24. I'll be putting the description in the box. I'll be putting the links in the description box so you guys will see the length. But I think it's 26 or 24 inches. 200 density. And I'm going to be showing you guys how the wig looks. I won't be keeping it in its natural curl state because I will be going in and actually curl it with my small wand. But you guys will see. You guys will see. But yeah, let me just show you guys what the wig looks like. I'm also not sure if I did mention I did go ahead and bleach and pluck the hair myself. It comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck it if you don't want to, but I did because I wanted to pluck it more. What else did I wanted to say? Yeah, and I did spray my even tinted lace spray in the shade light one brown inside the lace. After the glue was dry cleared, I went ahead and placed the lace in front of the glue. You don't want to put it directly on it. You want to make sure you put the lace above the glue. It's better to add a little bit of glue to it than to put it behind or directly on it, and then the glue starts showing and then the front of your hair is like too wide. So make sure to place the lace a little above where it's glued. So for my baby hairs today, I've decided to just use my Got To Be spray, and I am actually living for it for some reason. You know, it's been a long time since I've used only Got To Be spray on my baby hairs, but I actually loved the way it came out. Like, it was not too slick on the head, and it wasn't like all the way soft, but it was okay. I liked it. It wasn't too bad. I kind of missed doing my baby hair to Got To Be. I don't know if I'll like go back to that, but I actually like it. It came out cute. Also, guys, you want to make sure you pluck a lot at the front part, especially where you're going to like take out some of the hairs for your baby hair. You want to make sure it's plucked properly so it looks more natural. You also just want to play around your baby hairs, like do it as much as you want or as less as you want until it looks the way you want it. So don't be mad if you don't get it on the first try, or if you feel like it's not like looking how you want it to look. You just continue doing it. Like, I finished doing my hair, my makeup and everything at like 4 in the morning because I took my time. So not because we're like the video is like sped up, you think like, oh, she just did it in one go and it was good. No, sometimes I do it and it looks messy and it's just like, what is this on my head? So don't get discouraged. Do what you have to do. Spend as much time as you want, especially if you're gonna take like this hair thing as an actual career. Like, if you want to be a hairstylist and stuff, take your time and do exactly what you want. Yeah, just take your time. Don't rush it. So I just wanted you guys to know that the one that I'm using is from Amazon. I bought a set of them, and this is the smallest out of the set that I have. If anything, I could just put the links to the set or to another one in the description box. But I just decided to use the smallest one, and I went in small sections just because the hair texture itself is of a smaller curl. The curl's a little bit tighter and smaller, so I just wanted to mimic the same pattern of the hair. So that's why I used the smallest one that I had. So this is pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, I would like to thank Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. I love this look. It actually came out cute. Trust me guys, I was tired halfway through this video. I was just like, no way, I need to stop this video like right now. I'm tired, I'm gonna go to sleep. But in my head I just kept on saying, it's gonna come out cute, it's gonna come out cute, it's gonna worth it. You know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what's your favorite part about this hairstyle that I did. I also recorded a video on this makeup look. It will be up on my channel before Valentine's Day because this is a Valentine's Day look. So today is February 10th. So I have to make sure it's up this weekend. So I have to edit this video like tonight. But yeah, thank you guys for watching once more, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.